Hubble's revolutionary finding. Then came the man who would provide that evidence and forever change our place in the cosmos. In 1925, astronomer Edwin Hubble used the towering 100-inch Hooker telescope at Mount Wilson Observatory to deliver the final word. His masterstroke was identifying specific pulsating stars within Andromeda called Cepheid variables. These stars are incredible cosmic yardsticks, thanks to the foundational work of astronomer Henrietta Swan Leavitt at the Harvard College Observatory. Leavitt had discovered the period-luminosity relationship. A Cepheid's pulsation period is directly linked to its true intrinsic brightness. Hubble meticulously measured how fast these stars blinked, and by comparing their true brightness to how dim they appeared from Earth, he calculated their distance. The result was staggering, nearly 1 million light-years away, placing it far outside the Milky Way. Interestingly, his initial estimate was still too low. Later work by Walter Baade in the 1940s would double this distance after discovering there were two different types of Cepheid variables. But even with the initial calculation, Edwin Hubble proved conclusively that Andromeda was a separate, colossal galaxy. The universe wasn't just big, it was unimaginably vast, and our perception of reality had been shattered overnight.